Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. 5D BIM with Nawisworks. We offer a comprehensive training program to help you master 5D BIM, building information modeling, utilizing Nawisworks for integrated project management, visualization, and analysis. We offer training in 5D BIM with Nawisworks in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of 5D BIM with Nawisworks, empowering you with the skills needed for precise project coordination, cost estimation, and construction sequencing. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Integrating 3D models and construction scheduling for 4D BIM simulation. Cost estimation and quantity takeoff integration for 5D BIM. Project coordination and clash detection with 3D models and schedules. Advanced visualization and rendering techniques for 5D BIM. Collaborative workflows for teams in project management and construction. Analyzing and presenting 5D BIM data for effective project communication. Efficient project management strategies for collaborative projects using 5D BIM and Nawisworks. Enroll in the 5D BIM with Nawisworks course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool for integrated project management and analysis. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.